Afghanistan, we live like an extended family, like for example in lunchtime or dinner time, parents, grandparents, children all together, loving and talking, praying, eating. But in here, just me and my husband and my children. Now nearly 33, 34 years war in Afghanistan. When Taliban came there to the north of Afghanistan, we had to move from there as well. And we had to walk for 25 hours with 5 children. Because of Taliban, we had to cover all our body, even our eyes. It was very hard. And after 7 years living in Iran, finally, New Zealand accepted us for resettling and coming here. Thank you.
Yes, I think that this is most interesting and I'm going to make it.